see the lenses. Do you ever see any type of lenses? If at all you get a chance to see any lenses, please touch them and feel them, how they are. See, some type of lenses will be thicker at the center part, right? Say suppose in the specs also we will be using the lenses, and this part, see, some parts have to be thicker in the middle and some parts it will be having thinner at the middle. So it is differentiated according to the mirrors what we give, that is either concave or convex mirrors, right? Now let us see the images formed by the lenses. See, we will be having two types of images, that is the convex lenses and the concave lenses. Concave means it will be cave-like structure, right? See, this is one concave, right? And this is one concave. These two concave lenses, when they are joined, they will be forming the structure like, see, these two are in such a way. This is known as concave lenses. That means light will be falling on these two parts. See, you will be seeing this concave lenses. See, here light is fallen, here light is fallen, right? So you can say that this type of lens, see, here light is fallen and here light is fallen. This is outer surface. This type of lenses are known as concave lenses. And these are known as convex. Convex means this light will be fallen on this Vex-like structure. Spoons, two spoons closed like this. This is convex structure, okay? Now this is shown as figure. In here light will be fallen on the outer surface. This outer surface the light will fall. This is known as convex structure. Now see, a convex lens can form real and inverted image, because when you do an experiment the same way as shown previously regarding the table, light, candle and the screen, you will be observing the same experiment when you do with the lenses. See, magnifying lenses we will be using. Magnifying lenses means the smaller parts will be shown as the bigger parts from the lenses. Such type of lenses are known as convex lenses. Convex lenses are used for the magnification of the objects. That means we can see the objects more bigger in size and very clear. These are mainly used in the laboratories. In the doctors will be using this for in order to see the inner parts of our organic systems, organs, ears, mouth, nose and all. And that means the body structure or body parts of the for a bipedal students, they will be using mostly this in order to find out the inner parts of cockroach, earthworm, that the experiments they will be doing. And we will be seeing the objects very close from the lens. That is type of objects are known as convex lenses. Let us discuss about the sunlight, whether it is. Do you have any question, like do you have any doubt or any question raised in your mind regarding the color of the light of the sun? That means whether it is white or red or blue or green, whatever it may be. Do you have any guess or any idea about the color of light? Mostly we will be seeing or we will be observing the sunlight as bright as possible, right? And it will be mostly the color we will be guessing it as white or golden, orange, like that in a bright status, right? But while coming to the light of the, now let us discuss how the sunlight varies and how many colors are there in the rays of the sunlight. Now let us see the best example, that is rainbow. You will be seeing, I hope everyone had seen, that is rainbow. Rainbow will be always coming when after the rainfall, when the sunlight is very low, right? And it will be mostly near to the mountains. It will be in a half spherical in shape. That means it will be of half spherical, right? This like this, and this shape it will be the rainbow structure, right? And here I can show in this form. It is a combination of different colors that it is having the spherical in structure. This is as shown in the figure, that is the rainbow structure. Now it is also having some different types of colors, right? Now for example, let us take one more example such as CD, compact disc. That is, the CD is what we will be using in order to read and write, right? In order to store the memory or everything, what we will be using that in laptops or in anywhere. That is the compact disc. When it is placed in sunlight, that means when we focus the compact disc, that is CD-ROM or CD-RAM, that is when we place it on the rays of the light of sun, we will be seeing some colors will be generated, right? It will be reflecting some type of colors. That is also one example of how to find out the colors which are involved in the sun. And let us see one more example. If you take a soap, right? If you rinse it in water and if you get the soap bubbles, right? If you flow off the soap bubbles, you will be observing some types of colors in the soap bubbles, right? Like red, yellow, orange, green. It will be mixed up, right? And let us see one more example. That is, if you take any other thing, like for example the rainbow CD or the soap bubbles, anything, it has some combination of colors between them, right? Now, as per the knowledge or as per the investigation, we have classified the colors which are inbuilt in the rainbow as 7 colors. That is, it is a 7-colored rainbow. That is, it consisting of violet, red, orange, yellow, green, blue and indigo. That is VIBGYOR. It is nothing but, it is denoted as VIBGYOR. That is VIBGYOR. That means V stands for violet and I stands for indigo and B stands for blue, G for green, Y for yellow and O for orange and red, R for red. This is the this VIBGYOR. It is classified or it is in an order based on the intensity of light. Okay. Now, these 7 colors are there in the rays of light, that is sunlight. And we can prove this with the help of one activity. That is, I hope you can do it at home also if possible. Let us take one glass prism. This is a glass prism. Assume that it has a glass prism. And if the sunlight is passed from a hole on the glass prism, it will be reflected back or it will be passed on the other side as shown in the figure. That means it will be generating the 7 colors, that is, which are inbuilt in of sunlight. That is, for us normally when we see, we will be feeling that sunlight is in white color, right? But when it is focused from the other side of the prism, we will be getting the 7 inner colors of the sunlight. And this is one activity you can do and you can observe the colors in the sunlight. And one more thing, you can take one cardboard paper or a circular board, which as shown, it should be cut in the form as shown, and it should be marked with 7 colors, that is violet, indigo, red, orange, blue and green. And thus, when you hold it with the help of a stick, right, you should keep it with a pen or anything, you should hold it. And if you rotate this stick, right, if you rotate in such a way, then you will be observing that you will be just a white color is rotating. You will not be thinking that 7 colors. When you rotate it in a speed manner, as an example, like fan, it has 3 rings, right? When it is rotated, you will be assuming that if at all one wing is rotating, right? So in the same way, we can say that these 7 colors, when rotated, we will be observing or we will be seeing only the white color. Everything is covered with. So in the same way, the sunlight, when we see naturally, we will be feeling that only white color is seen, but it is inner build of 7 colors, right? These are the various examples in order to understand briefly about the sun's light and colors involved in it. Now in this class, while coming to the conclusion, we have learnt about the introduction of light, that is, what are the resources and what are the major appliances regarding the light, and we have learnt about the path of the light, that is the straight line path of the light, right? And next we have learnt about the concave and convex spherical mirrors, what is the structure of concave and convex mirrors, and we have learnt about the real image and virtual image, what is the difference between them, about the erect means when we reflect ourselves in the mirror, it should be of the same size of the object, that is known as erect, and at the same time how to change the direction of the light, and the lenses, that is concave and convex lenses, how it is useful in various applications like for doctors and medicines, right, industrials and in laboratories. It is very useful, right, for in order to find out the inner organisms of cockroaches, any internal organs of the human body system also. Now we have learnt about the sunlight and the colors involved in it, right? These are the total concepts involved in this light